Okay, so we're gonna open
Oh, I thought that was a picture.
this Velocity Racing super high
Wait,
speed
what is it? Wait, I saw a bunch of choices.
car.
Oh.
Says it's super fast.
Yep. Let's see the bottom real quick.
The instructions are
Look at the bottom.
on the bottom.
We have the yellow
Oh yeah,
one.
we have the no VT5185. Did you check that off?
Yeah, so we just check.
Someone did. So we open the car from one side with the key to the key. Okay, careful. Wait.
Okay, remote
It says
needs
racing
double A.
cycle. It's so giant. Hello?
Oh, that's to hold it.
Anybody inside?
Watch out.
Because this
Hey,
is so
someone
light.
could
Look,
be inside and we might drop it.
This-
I'm gonna. Well, you.
this looks nice.
Inside it looks hollow. It's hollow inside.
It's hollow, yeah, that's it.
Wow.
So we get another box while we're unboxing the car. Let's see what we get this time.
Kill the box.
Oh, we got one more.
Ooh! Okay, so when we were opening the car in the box, we got another box, which we were opening. Then we got another box, which we are going to open once we open the other one.
So how are you doing there, Sammy? Just still one screw.
Oh.
Yeah, we got a lot. Wow, there's multiple boxes in there. Oh,
Can I take this out of the bag real quick?
no, not yet.
I'm a little elf.
That's a duster. Do you know what's that?
It's a duster. It has dust.
You can open it.
Bigfoot's back.
Okay,
So give it to
come
me.
on.
Give it to me. So give it to me.
So you don't want me to do it. You like opening
Got
boxes.
another one.
Another one what?
I hope it's a toy. I hope it's a toy. I hope they're Shopkins. They really get Shopkins.
No, more boxes.
Ooh, oh, it's nice. I thought that was
ceramic
oh, nice.
knives and
Knives
Oh.
ends.
virtual reality glasses.
Oh, more?
Yep.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. So what's the?
Oh, this one here. Here. Sammy.
Okay, this battery.
I think it's opening. Wait,
Okay.
what are you trying to open?
Isabel, here's the battery.
Yeah.
So this is the battery. It's a lithium ion, 500 milliamp hours,
Okay.
6.4 volts.
That's the battery for the car, right? Because there is
Yep.
no other place to put a battery. Oh, he opened it.
It has a big battery compartment,
Wow,
but it
for a
only needs.
little battery.
So this probably is gonna rattle inside.
Oh, we'll just tape it down.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, yeah. Wait, look at the. Whoa, these are like rattly.
This is rubber tires. Okay. It's
Those
kind of
are
hollow
true.
inside.
So we are going
Oh, here's
to.
the. Can you see it? That's the on button.
Yeah, right here. Where? How do you turn it on?
Okay, there you go.
Whoa.
Can you make it more straight?
I can't follow.
Make it more straight.
I don't see if there's a mark.
What?
I know it's not.
It's gonna scratch.
I don't like scratches.
Keep on going to the left.
So sunny.
Why does it look like there's
There we
a
go.
word Google on here?
Look. He thinks there's a word Google. Something on it, like tape a note and drive it to someone. I'm gonna try following it. Might be a little bumpy. Ah! Go, Sammy, go.
Did you see that?
Yeah. Did it hit you? Did it hit Sam? Whoa! We're going to the end.